Komisi benta berklan ya ke jing persang banyada ya ke kelung na ke jing pang polio ban menteng ya ke thong ban pendujat ya ke jing pang ke Office of District Medical and Health Officer DMHO Ribuai District apelong ya ke jing sedang juga National Immunization Day Pulse Polio Ribuai District ya ke ni jing ai dawai polio la sedang ha nongpo Urban Health and Wellness Center Omling Kedat ha ke bala wan ban pli paj ba do Deputy Commissioner Ribuai District Usri Abhishek Saini IS ha ke jing don lang District Medical and Health Officer ke Ribuai Dr. AR Marak nangta Dr. BR Light Plang ki nongtrei ke kot ke khia ki nurse bar ki kmie ki pa ki bawan ra ki khun ki ban Pyndih yo dawai polio hagani si la sakhiru yo Deputy Commissioner ke Ribuai District wala wanra yala ikhon ban Pyndih yo dawai polio kabala longkum kadak ban ai mensim ban penslo di ki kmie ki pa bakin wanra ki khun ki ban yo ya kini ki jingada ke bokong san kini ki jingai dawai polio ko longkum chibenta jongka thong jongka sarkar ban pentikna ma barok ki klung ki ba hapo san snem ka kerta kin yo ya ke jingada bar banyada na ke jingwan biang jongka ki jingpang
Polio.
Meet it. One more, meet it.
This program at the event of the Pulse Polio immunization. So to all the people, I would like to appeal to bring their children for the Pulse Polio immunization. This vaccination is very important for them in order to ensure protection from a very difficult disease, which is polio, and just 2 drops of this will be life-saving for them. So I appeal to all the people of the district, all the parents, the mothers, to please make sure that during this campaign, the children should be vaccinated and the polio drops should be given to them. And once again, I'd like to thank the health department and all the team for their efforts, and I hope that this campaign will be very successful. Thank you.